Hi, this is Joop from GitLab. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your LDAP or Active Directory integration with GitLab. As your GitLab instance starts to grow, you will have many different projects, many different groups. They'll be distributed throughout, and you want to be able to easily sync anyone from your LDAP server with GitLab, give them the right permissions, and preferably do that all automatically. Well, with GitLab, what you can do is you can sync any of those LDAP groups with any GitLab group, and it doesn't stop there. Let me show you. I have here a group called Big Group, and I can go to Settings, LDAP Groups, and what I can do here is I can select an LDAP server. I've only set up one, so I'm going to leave it at one. Choose a group that I want to sync with, so let's choose my distribution group in this case, and set a permission. What this will do is anyone within the distribution group of my LDAP server will get the permission level that I set here for all the projects within Big Group. And this happens completely automatically, meaning that if I exist in this group and I log into the GitLab server, it's automatically checked where I have access and it's shown in GitLab itself. In this case, the people in the distribution group are all developers, so they have to have some form of write access, so I'm going to give them developer. All I have to do is click Add Synchronization, and you immediately see it appearing here. But it doesn't stop there. If there's another group that, for instance, needs read access to all the projects within my big group, I can simply add it. In this case, the security group, I'm going to give them reporter access, which gives them read access but not write access to the projects. And I can add the synchronization. So now whether you belong to the distribution group or the security group, you'll be able to see the big group with all the projects within. If you are part of the distribution group, you'll be able to push and pull or push to the repository. If you're in a security group, you're only able to read it. Now, it doesn't stop here, because of course you're able to do this with any group, and if I go to another group, I can simply set up similar or different synchronization with the same or different LDAP groups. But what's also nice is that we don't distinguish between people that are added directly to the group or through LDAP, in the sense that you can still modify their permissions. So if someone has been added to through an LDAP group and synchronized to the GitLab group, for instance, someone from the distribution group that has gotten the permission level developer, I can still modify their permissions on a one-by-one basis. So I do not need to worry if one person, for instance, needs more access than someone else. I can simply assign that them here, and it's not a problem at all. Your synchronization will keep on working. So these features together make for a really powerful way of synchronizing your LDAP and managing permissions through LDAP within GitLab. In theory, you could have set up your synchronizations and you never have to look at any permissions in GitLab. But if you want, you're still able to modify them and do not have to worry about your synchronizations.